For all those of us that have been struggling with the Lectric XP 3.0 brakes, Lectric is reporting some great news. It appears that Lectric e-bikes will be adding hydraulic brakes to the XP 3.0 moving forward. I'm sure to address a lot of the complaints from the community for the mechanical brakes and the potentially dangerous situations like I've been reporting on. You're going to hear the piston popping as it actually releases pressure. But the interesting bit here is that not only will the bike get hydraulic brakes moving forward, it appears that Lectric will offer an upgrade kit for existing customers. Lectric reports right here. Fortunately, Lectric e-bikes has announced that they'll be providing a free hydraulic disc brake upgrade kit for any current XP 3.0 owners who want one. On Lectric's webpage, I do see that there is this note here. There's a new upgrade hydraulic brakes for the purchase of an XP 3.0. Further down here in the specs again, new hydraulic brakes, front and rear hydraulic disc brakes paired with 180mm rotors. So Lectric is announcing this mid-year change to the XP 3.0. I cannot find on Lectric's webpage how to get the upgrade kit for existing owners, but what I did is I sent an email to both their contact at lectricebikes.com and their support at lectricebikes.com emails requesting this upgrade kit and referencing the Lectric article on the matter. I'll let you know how that process goes for me. I'll let you know if Lectric responds, and when I do get the kit in, I'll be sure to show you how to install it and review it compared to the stock brakes and some of the brake modifications that I've been pursuing on my bike because of these issues. So just a few minutes after sending an email to contact at lectricebikes.com and support at lectricebikes.com, I did get a response back from contact at lectricebikes.com telling me basically, thanks for reaching out. Within the next 30 to 45 days, we will send a link to current XP 3.0 riders where they can request a hydraulic brake kit for themselves, and that cost will be on us. We are excited to be able to upgrade your 3.0 in this way. Feel free to inquire about anything else. We are happy to help. So it seems to be official, and I am very happy to see Lectric step it up in this way. Very unusual for a company to stand behind their product to this level where they not only upgrade new bikes being shipped out, but they will offer a retrofit kit for free to existing customers. So I encourage everybody in the community that's having issues with their brakes or are unhappy with their brakes to send out an email to contact at lectricebikes.com, and I will continue to experiment with my own upgrades using the Shimano hydraulic and Shimano mechanical kits. I'm assuming the Lectric kit will be a Zoom brake or something similar, Zoom hydraulic brake, and when I receive mine I'll show you how to install it, and I will compare it to the stock brakes and also the upgrades that I'm working on. But this is great news. I'm really glad to see Lectric step it up in this way, and it's very great news for the community. This is a safety issue, in some cases, as you've seen in some of my videos and explanations. So this is really, really awesome news.